All right, welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about EXR, also known as Extra Space Storage, and they're going to be traded on the NYSE. All right, so the company overview here states that Extra Space Storage is the second largest operator of self-storage facilities in the U.S. Since we were founded in 1977, we have taken the storage industry by storm. In the last 5 years, we added $4.6 billion in new acquisitions to our national portfolio. Our facilities are everywhere. You have probably seen an Extra Space Storage sign near your home or office. We have properties in 41 states and Washington, D.C. We own or operate over 2,000 stores, comprising approximately 1.4 million units and 152.6 million square feet of rentable space. We bring security, attractive landscaping, and professional property management to every facility we buy, build, or manage. An Extra Space Storage facility is as much a part of your community as our on-site managers, employees, and customers. And then down below here it says that Extra Space Storage is a fully integrated, self-administered, and self-managed real estate investment trust and a member of the S&P 500. Our strategy is simple: to maximize shareholder value by driving growth and delivering exceptional results, and our team has been executing this strategy with excellence. Our financial and stock information show we're executing on key business initiatives, including expanding our footprint and increasing occupancy, strengthening our third-party management platform, and amplifying our online impact. So as far as the increasing occupancy, it'd be interesting to take a look and see how their occupancy has been running for the past few years to see if they've been able to maintain and grow that. Or if that's something where they've been struggling to kind of fill a lot of these storage lockers and things like that. But again, too, it's also interesting to look and see, okay, are they in high demand areas for storage lockers? Is there a lot of competition within the area? Things like that too. But I mean, overall, it's pretty cool stuff to see, especially that that they have over 2,000 stores. They're in 41 states, and in the last 5 years alone, they've added $4.6 billion in new acquisitions. All right, so the dividend history here shows that their dividend yield is 3.81%. Again, there's going to be a quarterly payout as well. Currently, their stock is trading around $158.99. Their 52-week low is $139.97, and their 52-week high is $222.36. So they're coming in a little bit lower on the 52-week high and low scale there. Some of it might have had to do with year end of 2022 and missing some targets that they might have been expecting to hit as far as revenue and other goals too. I know occupancy is a big factor for storage units, so maybe their occupancy too was a little bit lower than they had initially projected for year end. But it's going to be interesting to see how 2023 plays out. Seeing, it looks like they have an earnings report coming out towards the end of February, so it'll be interesting to see how that does, and if they're starting off on track on the right foot for 2023. So for the final rating here, I'd have to give EXR, around a 7 to a 7.5. I do like that they're, in the storage locker business. I think that it's a pretty simple business model in a sense. It will be interesting to see what their earnings report does show, especially since it looks like they had a decrease in Q4 of 2022. So it'll be interesting to see how their occupancy is doing as far as, tenants, things like that, but as well as, okay, are they hitting their goals? And, is their revenue doing good? But again, it's something to kind of keep an eye on throughout 2023, seeing how well they perform and, just how well that industry does in general. But again, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know another company that you guys want to see a future video on. Subscribe, share the video with a friend, make sure to drop a like, and without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video.